Every morning, a soft and lonely song floats across a quiet village. People hear it, but they do not know where it comes from. Some say it is the wind. Some say it is just their imagination. But one little girl knows the truth. Her name is Maya. Maya is 10 years old. She lives in a small house with her parents. She is not rich. She does not have many toys, but she has something special. She has a kind heart. Every morning, Maya walks the same small road to school. She passes green fields. She passes small flowers. She passes an old tree. And every morning, she hears the song. One day, she stops. She looks up. On the highest branch, she sees a little bird. It is small. It is brown. It looks fragile, but its voice is beautiful. Maya sits under the tree. She listens. The song makes her forget her worries. The song makes her feel safe. "This is the most beautiful sound in the world," she whispers. Suddenly, the branch moves, the bird slips, and it falls. Maya's heart jumps. Oh no. She runs. The bird lies on the ground. It is alive, but its wing is bent. It tries to fly. It fails. Maya kneels beside it. Her hands shake. "You're hurt," she says softly. People walk past. Some look. Some do not care. But Maya stays. She gently picks up the bird. "I will help you," she whispers. At home, Maya makes a small bed from a box and a soft cloth. She gives the bird water. She gives it crumbs of bread. Every day, Maya talks to the bird. She tells it about school. She tells it about her dreams. She tells it about her fears. Slowly, the bird becomes stronger. Day by day. Wing by wing. One morning, the bird jumps. It flaps. It flies. Inside the room. Maya laughs. Tears fall from her eyes. That afternoon, Maya walks back to the old tree. She opens her hands. The bird looks at her. For a moment, it does not move. Then, it flies. High. Free, it circles around Maya. And it sings. This time, the song is different. It is not lonely. It is thankful. Maya smiles. She waves. She feels something warm in her chest. She understands something important. Kindness does not need a reward. Kindness does not need a reason. But kindness always returns. And sometimes, it returns with wings.